Alright, so really cool retail packaging. I'm going to go ahead and open her up. There's the instruction manual. Yeah, we'll dig that out of the trash if we can't figure it out later. And then in here, there we go. That's what we needed. Bam, brand new. It's a big fat knob, feels super good. Buttons are all rubbery, feels super good. Stainless steel chassis. Looks like it bolts into the stock locations right here. And oh, definitely, it even has the stock thread inserts. So it bolts right into the stock, everything. Oh, it's even got the stock plugs. So you can unplug your Harley radio and literally just plug this in. The only thing you will want to do, and it's nice, they put a little grommet on it. You can drill a hole in your fairing, especially on the road glides where they have the little pockets. And now you have a USB port that we can put in your little glove box. In case you're going to add a Rockford Fosgate amplifier to it, here's a front, rear, subwoofer, and an auxiliary input. Looks like we have outputs for your amplifier and a remote turn-on lead. So there you go, 9813 Street Glide, Road Glide, brand new from Rockford Fosgate.